In this video, I will show you how you can turn off your iPad 11A16 with or without the touchscreen. Now, to turn off your iPad 11A16 with the touchscreen, you have two methods. For the first method, just grab your iPad, then just press and hold the power button with either of the volume buttons at the same time. Now, as you can see, I'll press the power button with either of the volume buttons. And after you do that, the power menu will appear on the screen. And from here, you can slide this slider to power off your iPad. Now for the second method, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, you will find this power icon. Now just tap and hold on the power icon. And after you do that, the power menu will appear on the screen. And from here, just slide the slider to power off your iPad. And to power on your iPad, just press and hold the side button. Now this was how you can power off your iPad with the touchscreen. But if you want to power off your iPad without using the touchscreen, so in that case you also have two methods. For the first method, if you have enabled Siri, you can ask Siri to power off your iPad by saying, "Hey Siri, power off my iPad." Yes. And as you can see, Siri has powered off our iPad. Now, if you have not enabled Siri on your iPad, but if you want to power off your iPad without using the touchscreen, so in that case, just follow the second method. Now for that, just grab the charging cable of your iPad and plug in one end of the charging cable to your laptop or to your PC. Now you don't have to do anything on your laptop or on your PC, just plug in one end of the cable to your laptop. Then just grab the other end of the charging cable and plug it to your iPad. Then just grab your iPad and press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the side button until you see a laptop icon on the screen. Keep pressing and holding the side button. As you can see, this is the Apple icon. Just keep pressing and holding the side button. And as you can see, the laptop icon has appeared on the screen. And once you see this icon on the screen, just unplug your iPad from your laptop. Just like that. Now, after you unplug your iPad from your laptop, then just leave your iPad for 2 minutes and it will automatically power off. Now, while you're waiting for your iPad to power off, do not plug in your iPad into charge and do not connect any accessory to the charging port of your iPad. Otherwise, this method will not work. Now, as you can see, it has been almost 2 minutes and our iPad has automatically powered off. As you can see, even if I press the side button, our iPad is powered off. And as you can see, it is now rebooting. And this is how you can power off your iPad with and without the touchscreen. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.